So today I'll be demonstrating how to place the dental dam material. So here I have my dental dam. I use the Fiesta color coded clamps. Then we have the framework, the crown and bridge scissors, the straight, and the dental dam hole punch, which has a stylus that's going to make the punch or the hole. And then we have the plate with the holes with different sizes depending on the tooth, because each tooth has its own size. And then to clean off any leftover material that's inside or got stuck in, we can use a shepherd's hook to remove it, so we can have nice open clean circles. And then of course for the clamp we'll use a safety line. I use a floss just to be precautious to make sure that the clamp doesn't go inside the mouth. And I already placed it in the dam. So in order to do that, I'll use the forceps. That's how they look. And my working tooth is going to be 21. And then the anchor tooth, which is the one who gets the clamp, can be 1 or 2 distal from the working tooth. So in this case, 19 would be the clamp tooth and 21 is the working one. Once I place it in, I adjust it. So let me show you. The part that's hanging off from the clamp is the bow, which is this arch right here that's sticking out. That's where we wrap the safety line. And that would be away, facing away. So again, distal as well. So once it is clamped, I make sure and include the wings of the clamp are in. And then I start inserting each hole to its tooth. Let me fix this. Okay. So once it is in, we make sure that it is nice and make sure that there's no holes to prevent any leakage. We can use a floss to make sure that the centum, which is the space in between the space that the material goes in between each tooth. So basically the interproximals. So I use a floss to make sure that it is well inserted. And to secure it, I'll use a wedget closest to the midline. So when it is inserted, I use the frame. It's going to go outside of the mouth. Let me show you the safety line with the widget, the clamp.